In today's video, I'm going to teach you, here's the easiest way to delete a column in Notion. If you've ever ended up with an extra property in a table or database, this quick walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to remove it without fuss. Before we begin, a reminder, deleting a column permanently removes its data from that database. Make sure you truly don't need the information anymore, or that it's safely backed up elsewhere. Start by opening Notion and heading to the page that contains your table or database. This works the same whether your database is inline on a page or opened as a full page. Give it a moment to load so every header is visible. If you use multiple spaces or devices, double-check that you're in the right workspace and on the correct database so you're editing the intended place. Sync happens quickly, so it's best to be sure before you remove anything. Now find the column you want to remove and click its name right at the top in the header area. Selecting the column name targets the entire property, not just an individual cell. You should see a clear visual cue that the header is selected, which helps prevent accidental edits to the wrong column. Taking a second to confirm the name and type of the property can save you from removing useful data by mistake. Next, click the checkbox to select the entire column. This confirms that every cell beneath that header is included in the action you're about to take. If your database stretches wide, scan across the column to make sure everything you intended to select is highlighted from top to bottom. This step ensures the delete action applies to the whole property consistently. With the column selected, look up to the top menu and click the trash can icon. That's the delete control for this action, and clicking it applies the deletion to your selected column. Because you targeted the header and selected the full column, Notion understands you're removing that property from the database rather than clearing a single cell. The column is deleted instantly. You'll see it disappear from the header row, and all its cells are removed from the table. If you realize it wasn't the right column, quickly use Undo to bring it back, or review your page history later if needed. In most cases, though, this immediate delete is exactly what you want for tidying up your database. And that's how to delete a column in Notion in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more quick productivity tips.